वेलकम टू स्मिता ठाकर एकेडमी। आज हम देखेंगे सेक्रेटरियल प्रैक्टिस स्टैंडर्ड 12th चैप्टर नंबर 7 करस्पॉन्डेंस विद डिबेंचर होल्डर्स एक्सरसाइज के कुछ क्वेश्चंस। Question number 1. Select the correct answer from the option given below and rewrite the statement. First one, debenture capital is a dash capital of the company, borrowed capital. Debenture holders are dash of the company, creditors. Third one, borrowed capital is provided to the company by dash, that is debenture holder. Fourth one, interest on register debenture is given through dash, interest warrant. Fifth one, dash are the creditors of the company, debenture holder. Sixth one, bearer debenture holder get interest through dash, that is interest coupon. Seventh one, return on income on debenture is dash at a fixed rate, that is interest at a fixed rate. Eighth one, dash, that is debenture is an acknowledgement of a debt issued by the company under the common seal. Ninth one, debenture repayable after a certain period at dash debenture, redeemable debenture. 10th one, the rate of interest payable on debenture is dash, that is fixed. 11th one, debenture holder receive a dash certificate from the company, that is debenture certificate. 12th one, interest warrant are sent to dash of the company, debenture holder of the company. B1, match the pair. Answers are given on the screen. Please take the screenshot of it. C1, write a word or a term or a phrase which can substitute each of the following statement. First one, return on investment in debenture, answer is interest. Second one, documentary evidence of holding the debenture, answer is debenture certificate. The status of debenture holders, answer is creditors. Debenture which can be converted into equity shares, answer is convertible debenture. Fifth one, the person who purchased the debenture of the company is called as a debenture holder. Sixth one, an acknowledgement of a debt issued by the company under its common seal, answer is debenture. Seventh one, debenture whose name is mentioned in the register of debenture holder, the answer is register debenture. D1, state whether the following statements are true or false. First one, debenture holder gets a regular dividend. False. Debenture is a loan capital of the company. True. Convertible debenture can be converted into equity shares. True. Fourth one, interest on debenture is paid notwithstanding the volume of profit. True. Debenture holder enjoy the full membership right of the company. False. Sixth one, dividend warrant are used to pay the interest on debenture holder. False. All type of debentures are eligible for conversion into equity shares. False. Debentures are never redeemed by the company. Answer is false. Debenture holder are the owner of the company. Answers is false. And the last one, debentures are always fully paid up. Answer is true. E part, find the odd one. Depository interest dividend, the odd one is depository. Second one, interest warrant dividend warrant DMAT, the odd one is DMAT. Third one, debenture holder, shareholder and dematerialization. So the odd one is dematerialization. Fourth one, debenture holder, shareholder and SABI. The odd one is SABI. F1, complete the statement. First one, debenture holder is a dash of the company, creditor. Second one, company issue dash certificate to the debenture holder after allotment of debenture. Answer is debenture certificate. Third one, debenture holder get dash at a fixed rate as a return or income. Answer is interest. Fourth one, in case of registered document, the interest dash are used to pay interest. The answer is interest warrant. Fifth one, the dash has to correspond with the shareholder on important occasion. Answer is secretary. Sixth one, the person who purchased the debenture of the company is called dash debenture holder. Interest does not depend on dash of the company, that is profit. Company cannot issue the debenture with dash right, that is voting right. Debenture certificate has to be issued within the period of dash month from the date of allotment of debenture. Answer is 6 month. 10th one, the company cannot issue the debenture to more than 500 person without appointing a dash, that is debenture trustee. 11th one, the power to issue the debenture has been vested with dash, that is board of director. G1, select the correct option from the bracket. A group and B group is given. First one, return on debenture, answer is interest. Second one, debenture certificate, answer is issued within 6 months. Third one, creditors, debenture holder. D1, debt capital, debenture. E1, board of director, power to issue debentures. I1, correct the underlined word and rewrite the following sentence. First one, the person who purchased the debenture of the company is called shareholder. The correct answer is debenture holder. Second one, debenture holder gets regular dividend at a fixed rate, but the answer is interest. Third one, a share certificate must be issued after allotment of debenture. Correct answer is debenture certificate. Fourth one, debenture redemption reserve fund is credited by the company for the redemption of shares. Correct answer is debenture. Fifth one, a demat request form is sent along with a letter of redemption of debenture. The correct answer is debenture redemption form. Sixth one, a company must issue debenture certificate within the 8 months of allotment of debenture. The correct answer is 6 months. J1, arrange in the proper order. First one is given board resolution, after that allotment of debenture, and the last one is board meeting. Now we are supposed to arrange in the proper order, and the order is first is board meeting, after that board resolution, and then the allotment of debentures. Second case, interest warrant, allotment of debentures, board meeting. The correct order is board meeting, and then after allotment of debenture, and finally interest warrant. Now H1, answer in one sentence. First one, who is a debenture holder? Debenture is a borrowed capital of the company, and so the debenture holders are the creditors of the company. Second one, what is the income of debenture holder? They receive interest as a return on investment, means interest is the income of debenture holder. Third one, what is debenture? Debenture is a borrowed capital of the company. Fourth one, what is convertible debenture? Convertible debentures are the debentures which are converted into equity shares on the expiry of a specific period and at a specific rate mentioned in the term of issue. Fifth one, who takes the decision to allocate the debenture? Answer is board of director. Sixth one, which form is enclosed along with a letter of redemption of debenture? The answer is debenture redemption form is sent along with the letter of redemption of debenture. Seventh one, which certificate is issued after allotment of debenture? Answer is debenture certificate. Question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5 is concerned. It is explained in details in part 1 and part 2 of this chapter. Please refer to that.